We're going to pick up at 23:35. Stand by.
We'll be resuming the count in about 10 seconds at the T-minus 5-minute mark.
Resume on my mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mark.
We're now at T-minus 5 minutes and counting.
CLT OTC, perform APU start.
APU starts and work.
CDR OTC, reconfigure heaters.
Roger, heater reconfig and work.
Pilot Chilton is starting the auxiliary power units, and Commander Brennenstein is reconfiguring the orbiter's heaters for launch.
OTC, APU start is complete. Looks like we got 3 good ones.
Copy that, thank you.
T-minus 4 minutes and counting.
Sequence 4.
A final purge sequence of the main engines is underway. The valves on the engines are being prepared for engine start. At the 1-minute point in the count, an engine ready indication will be given. A profile test of the orbiter's aero surfaces has started. The orbiter flight control surfaces are being moved through a pre-programmed pattern to verify they are ready for launch. The 3 engines are being gimbaled and positioned for launch at this time. We've transferred to internal power. Endeavour is being powered by its onboard fuel cells. T-minus 3 minutes and counting. All systems are go for launch at this time.
Yellow 2 pressurization.
The external tank, liquid oxygen tank, is being pressurized for launch.
COTC, clear caution warning memory. Verify no unexpected errors.
And OTC, that's in work.
Pilot Chilton is clearing the caution warning memory system. The gaseous oxygen vent hood is being retracted at this time.
And OTC, caution warning memory clear is complete. No unexpected anomalies.
Thank you.
Flight crew will close and lock their visors. This will happen in the next few minutes.
Lock your visors and initiate O2 flow. Good luck on the maiden voyage of the newest shuttle Endeavour.
T-minus 2 minutes and counting.
OTC, that's in work.
7-member crew is about to begin their first flight day for mission STS-49. Liquid hydrogen replenishment is being terminated, and LH2 pressurization to flight level is underway. Less than 2 minutes away now from the launch of Endeavour. This launch marks the 3rd shuttle flight this year.
One minute, 20 seconds.
And we do have an engine ready indication. Just a few seconds away now from the maiden voyage of Endeavour on a 7-day flight, highlighted by the Intelsat satellite rendezvous and 3 spacewalks.
1 minute.
Less than 1 minute away now from the launch of Endeavour. Heaters on the booster joints are being deactivated. T-minus 40 seconds and counting. T-minus 31 seconds.
Auto sequence start.
Endeavor's 4 redundant computers have primary control of critical vehicle functions for the remainder of the count. T-minus 20 seconds. T-minus 15. T-minus 10. We have a go for engine start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of the maiden voyage of Endeavor on a satellite rescue mission.
Roll program, Houston.
Roger, roll, Endeavor.
Houston now controlling, roll maneuver complete. Endeavor's heads down position on course for a 8.35 degree orbit. Endeavor's engines throttling down now as the orbiter passes through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle in the lower atmosphere. Endeavor's now 1 nautical mile from the launch site. Engines now beginning to throttle back up.
Go at throttle up, Endeavor.
Roger, Houston. Go at throttle up.
1 minute 15 seconds. All 3 engines now back at 100%. 3 good hydraulic systems, analytical systems aboard Endeavor. Vehicle is now traveling 2,000 feet per second, or about 1,300 miles per hour. Altitude 64,000 feet down from the launch site, 8 nautical miles. Standing by for burnout and separation of the solid rocket boosters aboard Endeavor. SRB separation confirmed. Time 2 minutes 20 seconds. Endeavor is now traveling 3,000 miles per hour at an altitude of 206,000 feet.
Endeavor, Houston, performance nominal.
Performance thus far in the mission has been as expected.
Nominal performance.
Two engine, Ben Guerrier.
Roger, 2 engine, Ben Guerrier.
3 minutes into the flight, Endeavor can reach Ben Guerrier in Morocco in the event of a single end failure. All 3 are still at 104%. 3 good hydraulic systems and electrical systems aboard Endeavor. The orbiter's Endeavor's now 71 nautical miles from the launch site at an altitude of 270,000 feet. Endeavor's now traveling 3,700 miles per hour. All systems aboard Endeavor continue to perform well. Endeavor's now 100 nautical miles from the launch site at an altitude of 309,000 feet.
Negative return, Endeavor.
Roger, Houston, negative return.
4 minutes, 10 seconds. Endeavor can no longer return to the Kennedy Space Center in the event of an engine failure. All 3 continue to perform well at 104%. The orbiter is now 135 nautical miles from the launch site, now traveling 5,100 miles per hour at an altitude of 342,000 feet.
Press to ATO, Endeavor. Select Banjul.
Roger, pressing the ATO, selecting Banjul.
Endeavor can reach orbit on 2 engines should one fail. However, all 3 still performing well at 104%. 3 good hydraulic systems and 3 good fuel cells aboard the vehicle. Endeavor's altitude 361,000 feet, downrange from the Kennedy 200 nautical miles. The orbiter is now traveling 6,100 miles per hour.